The solar system refers to the collection of celestial bodies that orbit around the Sun. It includes 8 planets, as well as dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other small objects. The 8 planets in order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are also known as the terrestrial planets because they are composed mainly of rock and metal. The 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are known as the gas giants because they are composed mainly of gas and ice. The solar system also contains several dwarf planets, including Pluto, which was once considered a planet but has since been reclassified. Moons orbit many of the planets in the solar system. For example, Earth has 1 moon, while Jupiter has at least 79 known moons. Saturn has at least 82 moons, including Titan, the largest moon in the solar system.